Hi there, this is part 2 of my video of the 1967 John Deere. I've done a little painting. Right now this is still empty, everything's out of it. See the crank, everything's out. And cleaning it up. Similar to making a small scale model, actually, is what I'm doing. The crank has been turned or grinded. I should receive that this week. Carburetor here I painted up, and part of the manifold. But the paint doesn't burn off. I'll use high heat on this part. I still have to take apart the carburetor, check it out inside. Never had the chance to do that yet. And here's the radiator. Little paint job to it. Rad's in really good condition. I ordered all the interior parts, such as the sleeves, pistons, the bearings. Crank is 10 under, bearings 10 over, and the two clutches coming, and the release bearing. I sent everything to get rebuilt. It's roughly costing $300 for the clutches and two clutches, release bearing, pilot bearing, and getting it adjusted. Could have did the adjusting myself. And the crank is costing it's roughly $250, $260, $260. And the kit to go inside the engine, $700. Plus I'm in Canada, so I'll have to release this from the border. Save a little bit on the shipping. Well, the duties. Not duties. The brokerage fees. There's a big pump in the front. I will try to have a pretty in-depth rebuild. You see I have a couple of valves I put in, and I didn't quite like didn't find they were quite tight enough. I didn't check the pressure on them, but I ordered a couple of shims. I think it's actually Ford that has shims that will fit these springs. I think it's from 20 to 60 thou, the shims, which will tighten up the spring just a little bit. And that's about it for now. When I receive my parts, I'll do another video showing you the parts before I start installation. Thank you and enjoy.